Roasted butternut squash soup recipe. Preheat oven to 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. Cut 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds of butternut squash in half. Deseed it. On a prepared baking pan, add the halved butternut squash. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of freshly ground pepper. Add 1 tablespoon dried thyme. Add 1.5 tablespoons olive oil. Bake in the oven for 40 minutes. Cut and peel 5 medium-sized carrots. Take out of oven and check. After it is cool, scoop it out. Add the cut carrots in a bowl. Add 1 liter of water. Add 2 bay leaves. Add 8 cloves. Add 1 star anise. Pressure cook it for 1 whistle and 6 minutes. Cut 2 medium onions. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Add the cut onions. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 2 teaspoons freshly ground pepper. Add 1 tablespoon dried thyme. Add 1 tablespoon dried oregano. Mix. Add 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon pumpkin seeds. Cook till onion starts to turn brown. Drain the cooked carrot water into another vessel. Remove the whole spices. Mix the cooked carrots. Mash the butternut squash and carrots together. Mix onions in a blender jar with 2 tablespoons water. Transfer the paste to a kadai or pan. Mix the mashed mixture. Add half the water. Mash gently using a masher. Add 2 teaspoons freshly ground pepper. Add 1 teaspoon salt. I prefer this soup with a little bit of bite to it. You can cool it and puree it in a blender. Cover with the lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Serve hot. Garnish with fresh coriander. Grate cheese on top. Add freshly ground pepper and serve. Thank you for watching. And as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.